Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is about how to fix the headband of your Beat Solo 3 in case you have broken like I did while playing football. I was practicing with football and I had this hairband on and somehow the football came on my head and I had the brilliant idea that I could, make a head with my headset on, and of course that inevitable happened. So in the end, what happened? Those broke, and to this day, it's you can see that it's glued, thanks to the super glue. I can still have it. However, from that day it broke again. Although I make that repair, it was not strong enough. So what I did, I will show you now what additionally did to keep it going. So first of all, I have to thank you. This super glue, this is the only one that works in my purpose. This one, it doesn't work. Don't use this one, but use the extra strong super glue, and which works also if you find super glue which is specialized for plastic. This one will work better. So what I did, I removed the screws here and I full up all of this inside with super glue. And for it's been like 2-3 weeks, it still holds. I don't know how long it will hold for that, but the only consequence I have, this doesn't close for this part. For this close, but I don't need it now to close. The only I need it is just to work and holds steady, right? This is the most important part for me. So I don't care if it doesn't close because I'm not traveling. The only way if you want this to close when you're traveling, you want to put in your carry bag, right? But at the moment due to the coronavirus, there's no traveling, so this set is working for me. So I would like to show you that maybe you can do the same in order to have this still going. Let me know if this fix work for you, or if you have any other solutions, and or which super glue you have used. And thank you for your watching of the video. Thank you. Bye bye.